Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. Today we are going to be talking about a controversial perfume which is from Rene. It is their Floral Fest. Why I said controversial is because you must have seen that recently Janhvi Kapoor has posted an ad about this, and the ad was shot in a courtroom, and some people said or commented that it's trivializing the court or judiciary system, so the ad was kind of inappropriate, which I do agree to an extent. I did feel that the ad was not needed, like the setup was not needed. They could have just shot some other concept. Anyways, I recently got this perfume, so let's try out if it is worth the hype or not. You can see it has an ombre kind of an effect going on both the packaging. This is the outer cardboard packaging which also has ombre effect, and then this one. This perfume comes in a lot of variants. The variant that I have is Floral Fest, but they also have a lot of aqua, lemon and woody kind of variants you can check out. Another thing which I really liked about Rene is that they have 3 options for perfume. This is 50 ml and it costs 599 rupees. You also get shorter options which you can try at lesser prices. So it's really great that you can try out the shorter perfumes and then decide whether you want to invest in the bigger bottles or not. This is a completely glass see-through bottle and this is the pump of it. Let's read the description of this perfume. It says, presenting Rene Floral Fest, an invigorating fragrance that takes you to a blooming maze, opening with bright citrusy notes of orange and mandarin. As it unfolds, notes of delicate osmanthus, romantic rose and lush peony, along with vanilla, create a floral bouquet that is both elegant and captivating. The fragrance notes are, in the top note you get lemon, orange, mandarin. In the middle notes you get osman, rose and peony, and the bottom notes include sandalwood, patchouli and vanilla. Direction for use is hold the bottle at least a foot away and spray it on your clothes or pulse points like wrists and collarbones for a longer lasting appeal. When I first smell this perfume, it's very sweet. Like the name of this completely justifies the perfume. It is very floral and very sweet, very feminine. For me particularly, I'm not a fan of floral scents. I like more aqua fragrances, but anyways, this is something new for me. Now let me spray it, then I can describe more how it smells. So in the first sniff you get notes of lemon. The lemon का जो fragrance है बहुत ज़्यादा high powering है. That is the first thing that you will smell when you spray it. Okay, now the note of lemon has subsided and now I can smell the floral notes more. The floral scent that I'm getting is not of rose, it's most probably of peony, and it has a hint of vanilla. Like बहुत ही अगर आप ध्यान से smell करो तो आपको वो vanilla समझ आएगा. The scent that it has is actually very common, like it's nothing unique. I have gone to stores and I have sniffed fragrances to buy them in order to test them and buy them. And I clearly remember कि I have sniffed this scent previously also. It's not like ये एक कुछ unique सा है जो मैंने पहले कभी smell नहीं किया है. It's not like that. Coming to the staying power of this, if you spray it on your skin, like on your wrist or your collarbones, it does not stay for a long time. It will evaporate. Like when you step outside, within like half an hour it will just evaporate. You will not get that smell anymore. So I preferred it spraying on my clothes rather than on my skin. On the clothes it does stay for a longer period of time, but again it is not a long lasting perfume. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत देर तक आपको इसका स्मेल मिलेगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. नो मैटर आप इसको स्किन पे अप्लाई कर रहे हो या फिर क्लोथ्स पे अप्लाई कर रहे हो, कुछ देर बाद द स्मेल विल गो अवे. लाइक ओनली यू माइट बी एबल टू स्मेल इट ऑन योर क्लोथ्स व्हेन यू ट्राई टू स्निफ इट. लाइक अगर आप पर्पसली उसको स्निफ करने का कोशिश करो तो शायद आपको वो स्मेल मिले, लेकिन जो आपके पास बैठा है उसको वो स्मेल नहीं मिलेगा. आपको भी नॉर्मली नहीं मिलेगा. अगर आप पर्पसली स्निफ करो तो मिल सकता है. लगता है. All in all, neither did I like the scent of it nor the staying power of it, so this is a big no for me. अगर आपको फिर भी जानवी कपूर के हाइप से इसको खरीदना है, go ahead and buy the smaller version. I think वो 135 रुपीज में आ जाता है. That will be a better option for you, क्योंकि अगर आपको भी पसंद नहीं आया और आपने ये बड़ा बॉटल ले लिया तो फिर ये वेस्ट हो जाएगा. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below whether you will buy this perfume or not. I'll see you next week with another video. Take care. Till then, tata.